Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I am doing a what I ate today video, so hopefully I can show you some really good stuff. I have not a full day planned, so I don't think this is going to be as short as my last one, but I think that it'll be fun. It's the day before Thanksgiving, so I thought that you could just kind of come along with me and see how my day is like. I'm stumbling now. So it is a little after 9 now. All I've had today is coffee. I kind of had a half a cup and then got busy and dumped it out, and now I'm on my second cup, but I'm about halfway through and it's cold again, so I'm not sure if I'm going to finish this. So we're going to call my coffee one smart point today. I just threw a splash of the skinny syrup in it, and then I used some powdered coffee creamer, 1 point of that, so not too bad so far today. Probably gonna have some eggs and toast for breakfast, or some oatmeal. I think I have some overnight oats that I prepped in the fridge, so I might just go ahead and have that. So I have the peanut butter cookie overnight oats. I'll put it out in the comments. I'll link a copy of the video. I'll put a link to the video in the comments. It's gonna be one of those days. So it's been a couple of days since you've seen me. I came back from Nashville and it was a whirlwind vacation. It was just totally nonstop. And then the first week I tried to get my bearings, and I just can't say that I did very well. I was super tired. So I finally am starting to feel like me again. So hopefully I can jump back on the bandwagon and start giving you guys some fun content and videos that you will like. So I'm trying to prepare my schedule for 2020 to see what I need to do. Let me know in the comments if there's something that you would like to see. And as always, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And with that said, the next thing you're probably going to see is my breakfast. I've got a couple errands to run today, and then I'm teaching 2 classes tonight at a sister studio, not my studio because we're closed tomorrow. So with that said, gonna sign off from here, and we'll see where the day takes us. Okay, so first of all, I really think they need to invent smell-o-vision, because I'm telling you, this oatmeal just smells just like a peanut butter cookie. It is so good. So I'm gonna let this cool down, and I get asked this all the time. My oatmeal, what I do is I heat it in the microwave for 1 minute, and then I stir it, and then I heat it for another 30 to 45 seconds until it becomes the consistency that I like, and then I eat it hot. I'm not a cold oatmeal eater, so this oatmeal is going to be 1 smart point. I am doing the purple plan, so I have 1 smart point for my coffee, 1 smart point for my oatmeal, and the point comes from the powdered peanut butter that I use. So I only used 1 tablespoon of that, so 1 smart point, we're good to go. So, and if you were wondering which skinny syrup I used, it was this one today. I used the mocha. I also have the salted caramel mocha, the vanilla caramel, not the cat treats. And then this is the French vanilla creamer that I used. So that's my favorites right now. And if you guys noticed, I also have the pumpkin cinnamon roll, which is really good. This cookie dough, the pumpkin pie spice, not my favorite. I don't know. I've kind of grown away from the pumpkin pie spice, but I've got it. I'll probably drink it. Maybe I'll make a maybe I'll do a protein drink with that. I think that might be good. And then this caramel fudge waffle cone. Wow. I'd really like to find that again because that one's super good. So those are my current collections, and I went ahead and bought the little toppers for all of those because of the fact that it just makes it easier to pump them out and you're good to go. So, all right, enough of that. I'm going to have my oatmeal, and I will let you know what I'm up to next. It's going to be a full day of this, I think. All right, so since coming back from Nashville, I'm trying to get my water habit in because I for sure did not. I just didn't get enough water in while I was in Nashville. So I have been working trying to get my water intake back to where it was. So I'm calling this glass number 2. There is ice in here. So it's now 9:51 and I just filled this glass up for a second time. So hopefully, you know, the work that I've done the past 4 or 5 days will kind of get me back on track. Okay, so I'm going to have a snack now, and I know I'm going after a banana, but I thought I would show you what my table snacks look like. I try to keep my table set up with some low point snacks because it's a deterrent for me. So if I'm heading to the fridge to grab something, I have something that diverts me that I can grab if I want something low in points. So I have some bananas, which that's what I was actually coming after, was a banana. So I've got some bananas. And I have my Built Bars stuck in here. Those came out of my lunch bag. Since I am off for the next couple of days, I just emptied those into here. I also have some of these Fiber One protein bars. I think these are 4 or 5 points. These are my grandchildren's snacks. I have some 2-point Fiber One bars here. And then just some various Weight Watchers snacks that I have. So if I'm walking by my table to grab a snacks, I see this first, and then it also kind of draws me in to go, ooh, do I want one of these first before I might go and make a different choice? So just thought I'd kind of talk to you about that, show you this, and then now I'm going to have a banana. And I'm getting ready to fill up my water again for the 3rd time today, so yay me. So now I'm shopping at BJ's, and I'm picking up my mom's sandwich ring, and look at all the fun produce. Next time I'm in, I'm definitely going to grab some of these mushrooms. The one thing that I did pick up today, some of these noodles. Look, the butternut squash noodles. How fun is that? Alright, people are looking at me, so I'm going to stop filming, and then I will talk to you in a little while. And what's for lunch? Da da da! You ready? I'm so excited. I never get this because of all the restaurants we have at my work, Wendy's is not one of them. So I got a large chili. Look at that big old large chili. It's a whole lot bigger than I remember it being. And a baked potato, just a plain old baked potato. So with baked potato 0, the chili is 5. I only plan on having half the baked potato and half the chili, so I'm going to count that as 3. And I'll have a little extra of the chili just to make sure that I round it off really well. And then the next time that I have this, because I'm just going to let it cool down, put it in the fridge, and then I'll have it, you know, within the next day or 2, and then I'll just count it for 2 points when I have the other half. So if you're really hungry, you could have all this. 5 smart points. 5 smart points. If you've not had Wendy's chili, I mean, holy cow, it's so good. Like, so good. So I'm going to have lunch because I'm starving. And then I will come back at you and show you what I'm going to have later. Now, I don't know about you, but I am not willing to mess up my kitchen the day before Thanksgiving because you know Thanksgiving. So sometimes you take a little shortcut here and there. So I'm just hoping that my shortcuts will help you the next time you need a shortcut. Oh boy, some days I just feel like a genius. Look at this. Half of it topped with the chili, and then I remembered, bam, I have the fat-free Kraft cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup, 0 smart points. Woo-hoo, look at that. All right, so I hope you're as excited as I am because I'm pretty darn excited. So I'm going to have this, and then I will come back for sure next time. All right, I'm getting ready to head out the door to teach my workshop, and I'm going to throw together an iced coffee before I go. It's going to be 2 smart points. I'm going to do 2 pumps of the vanilla caramel cream, which is 0 smart points. That is my iced coffee, just my plain iced coffee over there in the jar. So I'm going to dump some of that in my cup. I've got some ice in the cup. And then I have that Premier Protein, the caramel flavor. Yum. It's my favorite combination for my iced coffees. So I'm going to throw that together, and then I'm going to head on out the door. All right, so recap of my day. Since I left off anyway, I went and taught my workshops, and then I came home. We went out to dinner, which I will put a clip of my salad here. My salad was 2 points for the salad, 2 points for the dressing, 4 points for the pita. Super good. It's one of my favorite salad places. And it is called El George's, and it's either in Westland, Livonia. I think it's on Middle Belt if you're in the Michigan area. Super good salads. I mean, they're huge. I ended up bringing half of it home, so it's always a bonus when you can bring your salad home. And then we ran to Dick's Sporting Goods. I'll put that clip here. All right, so next stop we are at Dick's Sporting Goods looking at hunting gear for my grandson. It's always a fun time of year here in Michigan. And then came back home. So, I mean, that was it. I mean, it was just a couple of quick errands, dinner. It was a long day. It's 9 o'clock now, so I think I'm just gonna wrap this up and then I will talk to you later in the week. So I'll be posting this one tomorrow, so happy Thanksgiving if you're watching this on Thanksgiving Day. And I think that's it. Have a great day and we'll see you next time.